Okay, this has been sitting on my desk for a little while now because I just haven't gotten around to filming an unboxing. However, I have a project that's due in a week. I'm making an Easter video, and it involves microwaving peeps and filming them from the inside with the GoPro camera. Now, I've already put a hole in the back of this particular microwave, and I used window screen to keep the RF energy from damaging the GoPro. However, it can't really see through that. So I want to take this little circuit board and make a little ground plane. But as you can see, well, the GoPro is not going to see through that either. However, if I cut a hole just a little bit bigger than the lens area of the GoPro, solder fine copper wires both directions in a little crisscross, I should be able to easily make a window that will block the RF and be almost transparent. Well, before we get to that, let's open this thing up. Now, I do have the cordless Dremel here that takes 4 AA batteries that just doesn't work anymore. The contacts are all mangled, and sometimes if you fiddle with it, and I don't even know if these are good batteries, but this has been nothing but a pain in the ass since I bought it. I also have an old school plug-in Dremel that I cannot seem to locate at the moment, but that's not important. This guy here will run on a Ryobi battery, or of course plug into the wall. So this way, I mean, if I could use it out somewhere, you know, out in a field or something, I like the idea that it's both. So let's get this open. I don't know why I opened both ends. I thought it was going to kind of like... I did the same thing on the chainsaw, which I don't know if that one's posted by the time I post this one. That's another video I recently made, but it does come with a pretty decent little assortment of, as I saw on the box, of Dremel-like rotary tools, and I believe they're all interchangeable. Pretty sure they are. So here would be the base and the business end here. Okay, nothing else in the box. Let's get rid of this plastic bag. So let's see, you got your speed, you got an on-off switch, and then little lots of little holes to put your tools in, your bits. Ah, there we go. Let's do this right side up. Now, obviously, there's not a spot for the cutoff wheels, which is actually what I'm going to be using. Probably these little ones, actually. So all of these can stay in here, but like these kind of little bits can go here. There's a little wrench, and there's even a spot specifically for the little wrench, the easiest thing to lose. And of course, it doesn't quite. Is that all it does? It has a little picture of a wrench on there. It looks like... Oh, I see. They all lean kind of away from you. Okay, that could be handy. You'll note that the base is almost the same base as the soldering station. Not quite the same mold or anything. It's just very similar style. You've got your knob here on the left. You've got this little indent that comes up. Of course, the logo. Then it flattens out for your battery or... Oh. Okay, I actually thought this was going to be like this. I thought it was going to be battery and plug-in. This is battery only. Interesting. I could have... Where's the box? I could have swore it said hybrid. It just says 18-volt rotary tool. This will always only run on battery. That's interesting. I don't know why they didn't go ahead and just stick a little transformer in there. I'm a little disappointed. What is this slot for? Yeah, no, it does go this way. Aha, nice solid click. Ah, so you stick it in there like that, I guess. Hook up the drive end. It's got a little hex drive, it looks like. And I guess the first thing I want to start with, because the first thing I want to do is cut a square hole in this. So where is this guy here? Hey, look at that. The end of the wrench is the right size for the screw. Let's get one of these discs out. Oh, that's some kind of clay. I am going to have to consult Manuel. I don't know what the heck that is. Now, this is the key to these cutoff wheels because they break so easily. Well, this is the thicker kind. But just get it a little snug. Don't go tight with it. That's it. Just that. Not even barely an eighth of a turn. Okay, so tighten down the little chuck. Just a little. Now I haven't even fired this up yet, so let's check it out. That's the lowest speed, and well, quiet it certainly is not. So let's get the well, I'm right-handed, so let's do it like this. I'm not measuring this or anything. I'm going to call this a good starting point. So let's see how she cuts circuit boards. I'm going to leave 2 tracks on each top and bottom and like 4 or 5 on the sides. So I left 5 tracks. See? Oh, that didn't break, it unscrewed. Maybe I should have went a little tighter with that. Interesting. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it works, and it stops immediately when you turn the power. I can't slide this into its holder with a cutoff wheel on it. With most other ones, I probably could easily, but this is a little stiff. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't also run on AC power. It is wall mountable for some odd reason. I guess I could see that, but I mean, I'm always going to have to keep it. I've got 10 batteries that I always try to keep them charged, but that's not really the point here. I'm a little disappointed with that one thing. Okay, so here's my square hole. And now the GoPro, okay, it fits over the lens easy. And if it were just a little out from the GoPro, about that far is about where it would end up when this is all said and done. And let's say we're off center just a little. I'll look at the footage and see how bad that will be. And then I'm going to come back for a different video where we make this shield. So we'll see in the long run how much I end up liking or not liking this. But there it is. There's the initial impressions, initial project. That's all I really needed it for. I do need to cut a hole in the microwave because I want to put another exhaust fan in it as part of that project. I might as well leave this out. But there you have it, folks. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.